In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the text you want to curve. Make sure it's already on the canvas as a standard text layer. The method we'll use relies on a plugin designed specifically for this task. And it's great when you want a perfect even curve like a neat semicircle or a gentle bend that keeps your letters spaced naturally along the arc. Select your existing text layer first. This tells Figma and the plugin exactly which text you want to transform. With that text selected, press Ctrl+K to open the Quick Actions menu. From there, click Plugins and then search for Arc. This is the standard tool for creating a uniform bend on text without manually redrawing anything. Go ahead and run the Arc plugin. You'll see a simple interface with a bend control, usually presented as a slider. This is where the magic happens. Drag the slider left or right to adjust the bend strength from -100% to +100%. Positive values bend your text in one direction, and negative values bend it the opposite way. Think of it as flipping the curve over while keeping the same smoothness. As you move the slider, keep an eye on the live preview. The plugin is designed to show you exactly how the arc will look before you commit, so you can dial in a curve that feels balanced and readable. If your text starts to look too tight or stretched as you experiment, simply ease back the percentage until the letters feel comfortable and the shape supports your design. Here is no perfect number for every font or word lengths, so let the preview guide you. A gentle arc often works best for longer phrases, while a stronger bend can be striking for short titles or initials. Once the preview looks right, click Apply to generate the curved version. The plugin will produce a clean, consistent arc based on your chosen bend strength, giving you an instantly usable result that fits neatly into your layout. If you want to test a few variations, you can always adjust again and reapply until it matches your vision. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.